Hello, here I am to clear few of the concept and the queries regarding the Morpheus8 treatment which you guys are quite familiar with. So let's talk about the InMode family. Many questions have been generated that the Morpheus8 is actually taking up your fat. Is that true or a fact? Remember one thing, we indulged into the era where we do the customized contouring, which means what? I need to ask you a question. Do you really want the extra amount of the fat for your jowls or the lower face or the double chin? So the Morpheus is one of the most incredible devices that use the best depths and the energies to contour your lower face, to remove the double chin fat, and definitely to give you the tightening of rest of the skin. Why it is important to select the right doctor and the safe depths? Because the right doctor knows their protocols, the energies, the depths, and they are never going to take up the fat from your mid-face, which is definitely needed. Another question, is the liposuction in local anesthesia is possible? Yes. With this device, that includes the body tight, the face tight, and of course, the most latest Ignite RF that is going to introduce the quantum RF technology is definitely going to show you the instant contraction and retraction of the skin soon after the liposuction, as you see in these slides. And yes, it is possible to do the liposuction in the local anesthesia as an office procedure. Most of the surgeons have raised the questions, and most of the people who are getting the plastic surgery treatments like the facelift are quite curious to know whether it is going to disrupt your lymphatic drainage or the fat before the facelift surgery. So here is the answer that no, it is quite safe to use the Morpheus8 treatment for your face, because it is definitely going to improve the lymphatic drainage as it is proved by this paper. And number two, getting any facelift surgeries before 3 months, planning a procedure, stop every non-surgical treatments. For the derms, where we have a lot of argument, is it possible to do the Morpheus8 during the active acne? Yes, the heat is actually killing the P. acnes bacteria, and the high energies is going to give you the contraction of the sebaceous gland. The hyperactivity of a sebaceous gland is actually the culprit leading into the formation of the nodular cystic acne. So this is very wise to use the help of the oral medication and of course the combination of the Morpheus8 to give them the permanent reduction without taking them very long-term treatment with the oral isotretinoins. So the mission in life should not be just to survive, but to thrive. So we should know how to drive a Ferrari. To become that, make sure that you are selecting the right doctor, the right approach, and a right clinical practice, not to get the bad outcomes from this special exceptional device. Enjoy InMode.